turbulence is the price you pay for flying high. So whenever you're flying high, you're going to have some bumpy areas. That's why I want to admonish you to don't give up, but hang in there.
$7. $7. $7. $7. $7. And I took all of the prices and I rounded them up. So if you see the whole number, that's because I rounded up. I got it for $7. God, this feels like Christmas. Hey guys, so today is actually the day after I did all the shopping at Black Friday, and I was tired. When I tell you I was tired, my feet was hurting so doggone bad. My back was hurting, everything was hurting. So I relaxed, I chilled out for the night, and I was like, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the follow-up video today. I was able to tally up the amount of the products that I got. But anyway, let's just go through everything. So first things first, item number 1. Guess what these are, guys? These are Mayari Birkenstocks. How much did I get them for? $7. Actual retail price, $100. The next thing I got is a vanity drawer organizer that comes with multiple pieces. And I probably should take everything out just to make sure it's all there. So this comes from the brand, the name is Story, and it's, I believe, 10 pieces in this, and the actual retail price is $20. I got it for $7. This item came in a brown box, and I was like, what the heck? What could this possibly be? So we open the box, and guess what's in it? It's a microphone with all of the pieces to it. All that good stuff. And if you didn't know, I have a podcast. And when I begin to invite people over into the podcast, I want them to have their own mic so that we don't have to share a mic. So the actual retail price for the microphone was about $59. I got it for $7. $7. I didn't necessarily have a goal when I went in the store, but I was like, I'm gonna get a couple things for my nephew. So this is for him. This is a rain shield, and it goes on the car seat like this. Actual retail price $15. I got it for $7. Right? It's crazy to me. Oh, guess what else I got? Where did I put them? Not gonna lie, I'm a person who I can buy Bluetooth headphones with a cord, all this stuff. I always lose them. But I came across these authentic Apple headphones that look like they've been used. But I got it for $7. And I'm about to put this shit in the trash. This has been used. That's nasty. They were used. So that was a no-go. So actual retail price for the earpods, $20. But I got them for $7 and they were used. Those are going in the trash. I looked up and I came across some very exciting things. You know, if you're a music connoisseur such as myself, then you're gonna enjoy seeing the finds. The finds. Who's that? The finds. Who's this? The finds. I have yet to open it, so I hope the record ain't like scratched or anything. These are vinyl records. Very nice actually. This is Tyler the Creator, Igor, and it looks like everything is fine. No scratches, no cracks. Brand new record. Actual retail price for the Igor vinyl is $22. And I also got a vinyl by Burna Boy. This is his album, The African Giant. This retails for $27, so that's a discount of $20. I checked all these are fine. And then, bruh, how could I pass this up? $7 for the Janet Jackson. Anyway, one of my favorite songs by her is on this album, I Get Lonely. Can't wait to see it. Actual retail price for that one is $22. I came across this humidifier. So I'm learning, you know, some stuff is a hit or miss. Looks like everything is in the package. Oh, I hadn't even been opened yet. So this is brand new. Actual retail price for the humidifier is $33. This is a Baby Breezer mixer, which this one is automated, and you basically put the milk and stuff in and it blends it up, and you keep it in the fridge in the pitcher, and you don't have to make all those bottles, and I think that's very convenient. So actual retail price for the Breezer mixer is $20. I came across this really cool thing. I don't know where the box is, but this is a multi-function socket fast charging smart surge protector. So what's cool about it is, one, that it is fast charging, two, it has these USB ports on it, and then three, it connects to Alexa and all that stuff. So if I wanted to, I guess, turn it off or turn it on, I could do that by using my cell phone. The actual retail price for the surge protector is $30. I got it for $7. Okay, so this is another pitcher mixer for the baby. This one retail for about $10, and of course we got it for $7. So wipe dispenser for my baby retails for $20. I got it for $7. It's a perfect pool wipe dispenser by OXO. This is a drying rack for his bottles, and this retails for $15. I got it for $7. It's, you know, I order a lot of stuff from Amazon, so I know what the packaging looks like, but all week, sis, all week, I couldn't find the exact price on this wig because it didn't have anything in the pamphlet like with who the vendor was, but I found one that was similar to it, and I'm gonna go with that. This is like a 16-inch wig. So actual retail price $75 for an Amazon wig. It's a wig, it's human hair, so I'm gonna color it. Not a lot of lace space, but it's one of them pop on and go type of joints, so we cool on that. It has some wig caps in there. For how much? $7. $7. Okay, what's next? Oh, I needed another trash can for my bathroom, and I came across this little doodad. It's a small little miniature trash can that I'm just gonna put in my bathroom. It works. That's cool. And a little pill comes out. So I thought that was neat. Actual retail price for the trash can is $30. I got it for $7. I always said I wanted to try these, but I just never got around to buying it myself. So here they are. These are some curl formers. I didn't count them, but I went ahead and I found one that had like 30, that was 30 count on Amazon, and the actual retail price for that was $20. So there we go with that. And how much I got it for? $7. This is a VTech monitor, baby monitor. So a lot of this stuff is overstock from Amazon, things that people return, open boxes, stuff like that. Doesn't necessarily mean that there's something wrong with the merchandise. Sometimes people just send stuff back. So if you know me, you know I share a pet with my brother. It's really his dog, but I love Kentucky like he's mine. And he's getting bigger and he's shedding a lot. So I found this really nice. It's a pet hair and lint remover, and it's pretty like heavy duty. Like, hey, can't go wrong with that. Actual retail price for the pet hair remover is $25. We got it for $7. This is also for Kentucky. This is a dog paw cleaner. So I thought that was really cool. I was like, we need that for him, especially with the baby coming. We don't want him to be like with his paws all over. This is also for the baby. This is a portable changing pad. So when we're out and about, we need to change his diaper. This retails for $20 on Amazon, and we got it for $7. This thing is called Mommy Baby, and you can't see it in this packaging, but it's a portable lounger for the baby. So if you want to like prop them up in a bed, we sit them in that. This retails for $62. I got it for $7. This is a potty training seat. Looks like that. Has a little step on it. This retails on Amazon for $30, and I got it for $7. You can't see it because it's all like ripped up and stuff, but I thought this was a good find. This is a microwave sterilizer for bottles and nipples for the baby. Retails for $15 on Amazon, and I got it for, of course, $7. I was able to tally up everything that I got. Oh, let me tell you what the grand price for all of these $7 items are. Drum roll, please. I paid $180 for all the stuff that I got. $180 for all the stuff I got. So I tallied up the retail prices of everything that I got, and this was a steal. Everything tallied up would have been. So I am super excited to share all of the things that I've got with you guys. Hopefully, if you're in Houston, if you have a chance to visit the store, you go out there and go check them out. Their address is 9840 Fondren, as I said earlier in the video. But yeah, definitely check them out. The experience was really cool. Owners were cool. Even though the line was long, it was the first day, so it's kind of like, what do you expect? And plus, it was well talked about around the city. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and give me a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like it that much to do all that, go ahead and send it to a friend, because that's what we do around here. We're about friendship, love, and all that good stuff. As always, check your energy before you question your experience, and always extend kindness and compassion to others, because that is what you are here to do. Must be the truth. Peace out. God bless.